inside. So for the stocking stuffer thingy, only one person guessed so far that I've seen. Only one person comment, but that's why I always say make sure you watch the videos in their entirety. I think this is my guess on who has who. Okay, this is just my guess. Of course I'm not gonna put myself out there, but my husband bought a spatula, a flipping spatula. Who else in this house cooks? Who else in this house cook? Really, babe? Really? You can even pretend? You can even buy something that's not even remotely like, oh, she's a housewife, I'm gonna get her a spatula. Really? So, this is my guess on who has who. I think my husband got me. I think kids are coming, so I gotta cut this. Why is he crying? Puppy just came home and brought steak. Still home in Omaha.
Christmas gift.
Omaha. That's what they gave you guys for your Christmas gifts.
Oh my god.
That's why I told you I love that company. Why I advised. Wait, let me explain. This is why I advised you not to leave after they cut your pay. Is because they give out stuff like that. That is amazing, Rob. They feeding you steak. How else are we gonna afford steak?
I want to see it first.
That is a beautiful gift. What do you say?
Thank you.
Rob, what do you say?
Your pay increase and take that shit back. You know they spent over $2,000 worth of steak?
They did?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Well, we appreciate it. Thank you.
I was like, really? They could put heat in the warehouse.
Why is my daughter so ashy half the time?
I don't know. Here you go. Here's your daughter.
Okay, on that note, I'm making cheeseburger soup because it's cold outside. This morning when I went outside, it was like 14 degrees. I lie not. I kid you guys not. 14 degrees. I was like, whoa, we're having soup today. We are having soup. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Good morning, guys. I just realized that today is Wednesday.
Yeah.
And they get out of school next Wednesday, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, they get out of school next Wednesday and they're out until next year. So they get a long break. Because I don't know when public school get out. I think they get out around the same time. So I'm talking to Destiny to see what they would like to get their teacher. And this girl go, I'm gonna get him something teachery. What in the world is teachery? What, a mug? What? Because I haven't done teacher's gifts for Christmas in a while, in a hot minute. I think I was younger when I did that. And then I was like, I haven't come across teachers that I'm like, oh, you deserve something. No. But this year, Jackson's teacher, amazing. The boys' teacher, Destiny and the boys, they share a teacher. So they'll get to give him one gift from all of them, and then Jackson, and then the secretary at their school. No, let's not say names. The secretary at their school, she's amazing. So I have 3 persons to get gifts for there, and then just something small, like, you know, a mug with hot cocoa or something, you know what I mean? And then for the kids, I don't know, I'm thinking of getting them the ugly sweater thing that they can do in class or something. You guys think that would be fun?
One person already has an ugly sweater. We can do.
Oh, they did the ugly sweater cookies?
No one did that. I'm gonna do fire ugly sweater.
No, I'm talking about the kit, like you guys can.
Like art. We have 10 people and there's 16.
Okay.
Plus,
so you think that would be okay for you guys to do that, and then?
Yeah, you can bring snacks. Yeah, you can bring snacks. Only at 10.
Okay, so you guys can bring the ugly sweater kit for your class. What do you want to bring, Jack? Let's hide your name. Oh, he's so smart. What do you want to bring for your class?
Ugly sweater making.
You want the sweater kit too? Okay, so
I only have 12.
There's 12 people in your class, so you share 1st and 2nd grade.
Yeah.
So I'm only responsible for 1st graders, but it's nice to share with the others. So he split a class with 1st and 2nd grader. So would it be mean to just do 1st graders? And like, well, no. My child is only in 1st grade, so but whatever. That's just on my brain. And then the twins, they share 5th and 6th grade. So this one right here. How many 5th graders in your class?
I don't know.
You don't know how many 5th graders?
I did count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The same amount.
6. Just 6.
6 5th grader?
Yeah.
How many grader in your class?
I think it's 4.
4? 4. So 4 6th grader. So I would be in charge of all the 6th grader and the 5th grader because I have both 5th and 6th grader. And they have a field trip today, so that's why they're wearing their school colors. So they have a field trip. And this little one needs to get dressed because we're gonna go to Walmart and get this stuff. So I will see you guys. This is how you know there's been a toddler in the fridge. She just leaves it open. Get out the refrigerator. She's watching Christmas video from last year. You can't sit in front of the fridge. Come on. Get up. Get up. Come on. Let's close this. You're costing me money, girl. Now go back in the fridge. You watching your You watching the she's watching our old last year Christmas. She got so excited. Oh, the memories. Caught you. Didn't I tell you not to go back in the fridge? Huh? How'd you open it? Show me how you open the fridge. Can you show me how you do it? Cause I can't. How do you open it? Show me. Go get me one. Go get me one. Let me see how you open this refrigerator. Get me one. I want one. Oh my word. Oh my word. Thank you. Oh well, at least you close it today. All right, thank you. We're back in the house. Went to Walmart. Actually, I did a really illegal U-turn because field trip is today, and Jackson got out the vehicle, even though I reminded him last night that he needed to take his booster seat with him. And I wasn't paying attention when he came out of the vehicle, so I didn't see him whether or not if he had taken his booster seat, and I wasn't taking any chances. I didn't even look in the back. So you want TV, mommy? Don't climb the back of the so I, on my way to Walmart, because Walmart is like within minutes of their school. On my way there, I was thinking, and I kept on thinking, I don't even know what made me, reminded me that his booster seat, that he needed his booster seat. So, I'm driving, and all of a sudden I see it clear open, just open. I just bucked a U-turn and went to go, people probably thought I was crazy, but I went to go, coffee's all done. So I went to go drop off his booster seat, and then went back on my way to Walmart, and got to Walmart, parked my car and everything, sat there, and I was like, ooh, I should check my purse to make sure my husband did not take out any of my cards. We have 3 main accounts. We have a savings, we have a spending account, and then we have an account that the check go into that pays our mortgage. So everything is separated. Money cannot be taken out without, you know, our mortgage is always covered, and then our bill account is just that, our bills, and then our savings. So when the checks comes in, the money that is allotted for those accounts gets taken out. It gets pulled out and put into those accounts. The savings account, I have the card, and for the 2 main account I have, so I have 3 cards. My husband has 2. He does not have a card to the savings because that's not an account that gets touched. Let's go turn this down because I feel like I'm making all this noise and there's a TV that shouldn't be even.
Go back to bed.
What a great time we've had at summer camp today. Thanks for the fun day, helpers. Thank you, Aunt Minnie. Why, you're all so welcome. And thanks to all of you,
It's so loud.
I'll never let my
So my husband does not have a card to the savings because it's not a spending account. And when I go out, stop it. When I go out, I don't take that card because there's no reason for me to be walking around with a card access to our money. So I don't want to spend it because if I have it, I'm going to spend it. Anyways, 3 minutes, way too long. So I got to Walmart and I'm searching. Call husband, do you have my card? No, it's in your purse. Search. Oh, I gave it to you at the Dollar General. You didn't give it back when we went to the Dollar General. Where's my card? He was like, search. Oh, I got it. You want to come pick it up? Even though he took one of my cards out this morning because he said that his card expired and they sent him a new one, but he couldn't figure out how. He trashed the paper to activate it, so it didn't get activated, and he was supposed to do it on Monday. Today is Wednesday, to activate the card. He never did that. So now he has 2 of my cards with him, and I'm sitting at Walmart just like, really now? So I was like, you know what? He's like, come pick it up. I'm not wasting my gas to come pick up. No, it can wait. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe later on I'll have them take me up to Walmart. I don't know, because tomorrow's Thursday. I really wanted the kids to have their stuff for their class and their teacher, but it's what it is. There's nothing else going on today. My mother-in-law is coming, so I'm gonna put that in a separate vlog, but I don't have anything else to share, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this little clip, this little vlog. I'm doing only 10-minute vlogs. I feel that's best for my channel, and maybe later on in the future I'll go back to 17 and 20-minute vlogs, but for right now I'm just gonna keep it at I'm just gonna keep it at 10 minutes. You know, the less you share, the less people have an opinion on. That's my thinking. That's just me, you know. If I don't have anything general, like, you know, stuff that the kids are doing, that we are doing, personal stuff, I'm just gonna keep to myself, and struggles and stuff like that, I'm just gonna keep it to myself, work through it, and just keep this channel positive. Hey, because I don't want to become, don't cry, say hi, sunshine. I don't want to become, let me go tend to her. Okay, like I was saying, I don't want want to become another black mother that's just, you know, not respected here on YouTube. I don't want that. And that's a trend. You know, a lot of black mothers that are trying to do this whole YouTube thing are bashed on a daily basis, and that's not what I want for my channel. I don't want to be the next person up for criticism, and you know what I mean? That's nope, not doing it. But this little stinky bugger one, I'm gonna go do some activity with her, and I think it's her day to get candy out from the calendar. Is it your day, mommy? Is it your day? Oh, I think it's her day. What do you guys do with your younger kids to prepare them for Christmas, to make them know that something special is going on and something to look forward? I don't know how to prepare her. I think she knows. Do you know Christmas is coming? Do you know we celebrate that day for Jesus' birthday, even though it's not his birthday, but that's the day we've chosen to celebrate his birth? Huh? Do you know? I stay rushing to go get my children. I don't know why. I don't know why. I legit had a panic attack the other day because I strapped Maddie in the car seat and I had to rush back in to go get something. And the thought of strapping her to that thing and thinking, what if something happened to me and I never get to take her out and she's stuck there? Lord have his mercy on my soul. The struggles that I go through and the fights that I fight within my head. But anyways, I'm gonna go pick up my baby and I'm all... Oh, I have a question to ask you guys. I love my garage. I love my garage. Love parking my car in the garage. But do you guys start your car before you open the door, or do you start your car after you open the door? I got to the kids' school late. I was like, watch I leave here all late and there be traffic. And lo and behold, there was traffic. Yeah! Why are you so excited, mommy? What are you so excited about? And she was sleeping, so I didn't put any pants on her, and I just took her out of the house. But I always bring a blanket, you know. But I did that one time, and I had to wait for the kids because they had after school activity, and I forgot, and legit was like, what am I gonna do? I can't come home. So I just called my husband and was like, hey, you gotta pick up the kids. Because I didn't have a pants for her. Usually I'll go in Target and get myself in trouble, you know, and spend money I don't have. But here, take this for Sissy.
We were on TV.
I didn't have a pants. You were on TV?
We were.
Really? I missed that. My mother-in-law is coming today. I forgot. I don't know if I told you guys.
This is weather.
So my dinner is on. Close that door for me. My dinner is on the crock pot, and I'm getting ready to start on homework and chores and all the fun stuff that we do in the evening. Oh. All right, stop fussing.
In our classroom, we wrote down.
All right, make sure your school logo. Here.
So in our classroom, we wrote down our names and we wrote things we like to have for Christmas in our classroom. And I got my person, but I can't say because my person watches here. And I got there, and then we go shopping for them under $10 and below. So that's all I wanted to say. Mommy, you want me to turn it off? You want me to turn it off? I'm done talking.
You finished?
Yep.
Okay, so yeah, I made. Let me turn on some lights in this house. I made cookie dough for the kids, and we're about to bake cookies. Tomato. What do you want? Go tell them. Go, get it. Go get it. And got my dinner going. I need to put the beans in here. I love this little cooker thingy. Oh gosh, she's never happy. Every time she get up from a nap, she's always cranky. Always. So good. I'm gonna go finish up and get back to you guys. Anyways, guys, this is gonna be it for the vlog. I will see you guys. Oh, did I tell my mother-in-law is coming? She's coming, so I have to go figure out what to cook. My house is already cleaned. I cleaned it this morning before I took the kids to school. I just need to do the dishes, and that's it. So we will see you guys tomorrow. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.